I absolutely love Gen AI. It's transformed the way that I work and everything that I do. But what I love about it is technology finally speaks our language. If you wanted to interact with things like this before, you had to learn how to write code. Now anybody can go in and put in a prompt and get a detailed answer back. But I want to make sure you understand there's like a lot of different types of AI. You have the traditional AI, which is stuff really before Gen AI, and you've got Gen AI. So I want to explain to you what the differences are and what the goals are of these. So in traditional AI, it's more about automating tasks, driving efficiency. When you hear people talking about how AI is going to take away our jobs, it's when they're automating tasks. But Gen AI is more about empowering us to do more faster. Now, if you look at traditional AI, it learns this by following rules. You're trying to replicate the human decision-making process. Whereas Gen AI generates, generative, get the link there, new content from training data. So it allows you to create new things. The goal for traditional is automation. The goal for Gen AI is human machine collaboration. And this human machine collaboration is what is going to change our lives going forward. You'll all understand this. Your Netflix recommendations, that's AI. Most basic chatbots you use where you go on the chatbot, my coffee machine's not working. Have you checked A, B, and C? That's traditional AI. But Gen AI is like having the world's best intern. Now imagine an intern where you don't have to deal with those pesky minimum wages or labor laws about how long they can work. It's available 24/7 and it never gets bored. But you can use it to do things like teach me about a topic. It'll design a whole course for you. Create an image of me dressed up as a sake bottle. I don't know. Help me troubleshoot why my espresso machine didn't work last week. What could it be? Summarize these documents into one paragraph. Rewrite this. It's a brilliant tool to allow you to do something you were going to do anyway, just much faster. And if you want to get like the world's simplest example, but I think it's still one of the best, Telstra, the Australian mobile operator, uses it to create a one-sentence customer overview. If you call in, if you talk to somebody at a store, hi, it's Charles. Here's one sentence that summarizes my entire relationship with Telstra. Think about the value you're giving back to them. Think about how quick you can know what they need, what they might need. And the way I like to look at it is, I went to school a long time ago and I studied finance and economics. I used to have to use this calculator on the left. It's an HP 12C. The manual is thicker than the calculator. You have to go and look up the page, input all these different things to do a basic NPV IRR function. Suddenly Excel came out and all that time I spent learning that was like gone. But Excel made it so simple. Now that didn't mean the world didn't need bankers. It just allowed bankers to do things more efficiently or us as consumers to do things more efficiently. It's about doing the same process, but faster.